Welcome to the Epic PowerPoint presentation. Shouldn't you be first at least once in your life? So, who are we here at Epic? Well, Epic is a global company that provides an environment for people of all backgrounds to learn the lifelong skill of Forex trading while also pursuing their financial dreams and their goals. The Epic team has more than 100 years of combined successful business and MLN experience, industry-leading Forex traders and trainers, and the company is 100% debt-free. The Epic leadership. We have Mr. David McCovey, the founder, Mr. Spencer Iverson, the president, Mark Sterling, the VP of Sales, David Lichiaga, the VP of Business Development, Jonathan Green, the Global Master Ambassador, and Coach Max Bachazad, Director of Forex Training. So now, what is Forex? Forex stands for the foreign exchange. It is the act of buying and selling currencies, which is used daily by the banks, the central banks, institutional investors, and individuals all around the world. It is a portable skill that will benefit you for life. Forex is the largest financial market in the world, averaging $6 trillion per day, and it operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So what services do we have here at Epic? We have our live sessions, which starts with the New York session at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Asian session, which starts at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the London session, which starts at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We give out daily signals from 6, 7, and 8-figure traders. Daily signals are simply what that is right there is we actually send out notifications for you to copy and paste into your cell phone or your computer. You're going to earn while you learn. Epic University, we're going to send you to school so you can now learn about how you're making money. You're going to actually learn. The goal is to teach you how to become a successful trader. We have a 2-week syllabus that walks you through that. Market forecast. We're going to actually tell you what to look for in the upcoming week throughout the Forex market. It's a fun, interactive trading community and has much, much more to come. Now, we got to give you a disclaimer because, hey, you can't, what I make may not be what you make. What you make may not be what I make. So Epic cannot and will not make any guarantees about your ability to get results or earn any money with our program, information, tools, or strategies. The plan rewards you for selling products and services to customers. While the opportunity is unlimited, individual results will certainly vary depending on many factors, such as your commitment level, your individual effort, and your marketing skills. Any and all income projections should not be considered as guarantees or projections of your actual earnings or profits. Success with the company results only from active participation, successful marketing efforts, which do require work, commitment, and diligence on your part. So let's look at the Epic compensation plan, the incredible compensation plan. When you start off as a founder and you personally sponsor 3 scholars, the company is going to make your membership absolutely free. Okay? When you have a total of 10 people on your team, the company is going to pay you $125 every single week, which is $500 a month. Skip down to ambassador. Once you have a total combined team of 500 partners, the company is going to pay you $2,500 each and every week or $10,000 a month. Down to the bottom, Epic, which is a total of 75,000 people on your team, which the company pays you $250,000 every single week or $1 million a month. Incredible compensation plan. The Epic launch strategy. Well, we pre-launched September 1st. We're looking to have 40,000 people to lock in their spot for only $19.99. We're going to be doing 4 live Zoom presentations every day. We go live, which means we flip the switch October 1st, and we're looking forward to our ambassador retreat, which is to be determined for the date and time in Mexico. So how do you become Epic? Well, first, get back with the person that invited you to this presentation. You can visit their site, which is www.epictrading.com/the site that they give you, and select the Join Us button. Lock in your pre-launch position today for only $19.99. Begin to build and structure your organization. Get ready for the official launch in October 2020. And newsflash, did you know that your Epic pre-enrollment investment includes access to more than 60 live trading and training sessions throughout the month of September from documented and talented Forex traders. A great value, all for only $19.99. Epic, the world's ultimate trading and lifestyle community. Lock in your spot today.